हॅलो एव्हरीवन, ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन मराठीमध्ये आपलं मनापासून स्वागत. आपल्याला माहीतच आहे की MS सेट एक्झामला जस्ट 1 महिना राहिला आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला वेळ वाया घालवून चालणार नाही. त्यासाठी आम्ही आपल्यासाठी डिफरंट युनिटवर व्हिडिओ बनवत आहोत, जे की तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये उपयोगी पडतील. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी मार्केटिंग मॅनेजमेंटचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ टाकले आहेत, जे की तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये मॅक्झिमम मार्क्स स्कोर करण्यासाठी हेल्प करतील. सो डू वॉच इट. आजचा लेक्चर सुरू करण्याआधी मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छिते की ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटीने आपल्यासाठी कॉमर्स फुल सिलेबस कोर्स आणला आहे, ज्याच्यात आपल्याला 25 मॉक टेस्ट भेटतील, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर टेस्ट विथ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन भेटतील, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट, फुल युनिट नोट्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोन्ही लँग्वेजमध्ये भेटतील, 200+ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश असं 2 लँग्वेजचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण भेटेल. टू जॉइन डाउनलोड अवर ॲप ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटी और कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन बिलो गिवन नंबर. चला तर मग आजच्या लेक्चरला सुरुवात करू. एक्सचेंजसाठी आवश्यक अटी आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत. कमीत कमी 2 पक्ष सहभागी असणे आवश्यक आहे. प्रत्येक पक्षात असे काहीतरी असले पाहिजे जे दुसऱ्याला आवडते. दोन्ही अ आणि ब, वरीलपैकी काहीही नाही. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C, both A and B. Condition necessary for the exchange are at least 2 parties must be involved, and the second condition is each party must have something that interests the other. 4 conditions must exist for an exchange to occur. The first condition is 2 or more individual groups or an organization must participate, and each must possess something of a value that other party desire. The exchange should provide a benefit or a satisfaction to both the party involved in the transaction. Third condition is each party must have a confidence in the promise of the something of a value held by the other. And the last condition is to build trust, the party to be exchanged must meet acceptations. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, तात्पुरते किंवा कायमस्वरूपी उत्पादन किंवा सेवेची मागणी कमी करा. आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत काउंटर मार्केटिंग, मेगा मार्केटिंग, डी-मार्केटिंग, यापैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. Counter marketing reduces the demand for a product or a services on temporary or a permanent basis. Counter marketing refers to the use of a commercial marketing tactic to reduce the prevalence of substance use. Counter marketing attempt to counter pro-substance influence and increase pro-health messages and influence throughout a state, region or a community. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, सोयीच्या वस्तू त्या आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत सहज खाल्ले जाते, सहज वितरित, वारंवार खरेदी, यापैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. Convenience goods are those which are consumed easily. A convenience good is a consumer item that is widely available and purchased frequently with minimum effort. Convenience goods such as a newspaper and a candy are different than specialty goods such as a car, which are more expensive and often carry a greater opportunity cost for the consumer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, जाहिरात माध्यम ही विविध वाहने आहेत जी महामंडळ याचा प्रचार करण्यासाठी वापरू शकतात. आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत प्रेक्षक, व्यवस्थापक, मालक, यापैकी काहीही नाही. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Promotion media are the various vehicles that corporation can use to carry their promotion as audience. Here the next question is, which of the following is not lead to change in marketing mix of a product? And the options are change in corporate or a competitive strategy of the firm, change in the organization or resources level of the firm. Third option is rigidness in the product lines of the firm. And last option is all of the above. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. Rigidness in the product lines of the firm is not lead to change in the marketing mix of the product. The next question is, what occurs when a marketer is excessively preoccupied with the product development, manufacturing or selling and ignores customer needs, want and interests? The options are customization, target marketing, marketing myopia, and none of this. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. Marketing myopia occurs when a marketer is excessively preoccupied with the product development, manufacturing, or selling and ignores customer needs, wants, and interests. Marketing is a long-term function that involves anticipating a change in the future and planning for it accordingly. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे मार्केटिंग मायोपियावर मात करायचे मार्ग आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत ग्राहकाचे नेतृत्व करा, उत्पादन केंद्रित नाही, संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून बाजारभिमुखतेला परवानगी दिली पाहिजे, व्यवस्थापक सक्रिय आणि दूरदर्शी असणे आवश्यक आहे, वरील सर्व. The correct answer for this question will be option number D, all of the above. The next question is good purchase by individual for their own personal use rather than for a business or industrial use is called. The options are convenience goods, capital goods, consumers good, and none of this. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Good purchase by an individual for their own personal use rather than for a business or a industrial use is called consumers good. Now what are a consumers good? Consumer's good or a final goods are a goods sold to the consumer for their own use or enjoyment and not as a mean for a further economic production activity. The next question is when buyers have too narrow image of the brand, this error is. The options are under positioning, over positioning, doubtful positioning, and confused positioning. The correct answer for this question will be option number B. When the buyers have too narrow image of the brand, this error is over-positioning. Over-positioning is a market failure whereby a brand, product or a service is too special such that it appeals to few customers. The term applies to competitive position or a product differentiation that may strongly appeal to some customer but not enough to reach a firm sale targets. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे भूतकाळात स्थापन केलेल्या विपणन धोरणे, कार्यक्रम, प्रणाली आणि पद्धती आजच्या काळासाठी वैध आहेत की नाही याचे मूल्यांकन करा आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत गुणोत्तर विश्लेषण, मार्केटिंग ऑडिट, क्रेडिट कंट्रोल, वरीलपैकी नाही. Here the correct answer for this question is option number B. Marketing audit assess whether the marketing policies, programs, system and method established in the distant past are valid for today. A marketing audit is a full exposure and analysis of an entire marketing environment of a business, assessing everything from strategies and target to specific marketing activities. Here the next question is traditional marketing focus on what while today's marketer must focus on what as the end result of a successful marketing strategy, and the options are transaction or relationship, customer and profits, profits and products, relationship and transactions. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Traditional marketing focus on transaction while today's marketer must focus on relationship as the end result of the successful marketing strategy. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे उत्पादन युग बद्दल खालीलपैकी कोणते विधान सत्य आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत पुरवठा स्वतःची मागणी निर्माण करतो, ग्राहक हा राजा असतो, फक्त ग्राहकांना उत्पादने विकण्यावर लक्ष केंद्रित करा, वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Supply create its own demand is the true about production era. Supply create its own demand is the formation of a sales law. The rejection of this deterrent is a central component of the general theory of employment, interest and money. The next question is what is the process of dividing a potential market into distant sub-market of consumers with common need and characteristic, and the options are target marketing, differentiation, market segmentation, none of this. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Market segmentation is a process of dividing a potential market into distinct sub-market of consumers with common needs and characteristics. In marketing, market segmentation is the process of dividing a both consumers or a business market normally consisting of existing or potential customer into subgroup of consumers based on some type of a share characteristic. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे विशिष्ट कार्यक्रम सुरू करण्याची प्रत्यक्ष वेळ दर्शविते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत कार्यक्रम, वेळापत्रक, प्रक्रिया आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे धोरणे. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Schedule shows the actual time of starting a particular program. Which of the following is not part of strategic planning? The options are purpose and mission, objectives, choice of business, and last option is social responsibility. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Objective is not part of strategic planning.